Hey guys, it's Steven with Practical Family Projects, where we aim to help you tackle those indoor, outdoor, home DIY,
and craft projects.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and as always, the products that we use in our videos are linked down in the description below.
Hey Dad, I have a joke.
What's that?
Why did the toilet paper roll down the hill?
I don't know. Why did toilet paper roll down the hill?
To get to the bottom.
Nah, that's pretty good. Hey, let's get to the project. Hey, in this video, guys, we're actually building our fire pit at our lake house. We've been kind of planning this out. We haven't had the chance to get to it. We just got to it right now, and we're getting started. So we're a little ahead of the game, and we're starting to do the layout, and then we're gonna start digging and start going through it. So let's get after it. All right, guys. So we got shovels, we got bricks, we got a stake, and we had some string. So we stuck a stake in the middle, and then we used our rope to make our circle. So we set a distance, hang on a moment. We set a distance right here, and we went around, and we used that to set our distance right there. And so now we got a layout, so now we're going around, and we're just marking on the outside where we're gonna dig.
You did mention if they have spray paint.
Yeah, so if you have spray paint at the house, we didn't have any out here, but when you're running your string around, you could spray the circle on the ground. We actually just used the bricks to mark it, but you definitely could take some spray paint and spray the circle on the ground. One more time. Come on. Nope.
Right now we are gonna be digging out our hole for the fire pit. And as you can see, we are putting the dirt into a wheelbarrow, and our dirt in the wheelbarrow. But if you don't have a wheelbarrow, you could use a bucket or anything that you can carry stuff in.
Yeah, like a tub, or what else could you carry something in?
Your hands.
Your hands? There'll be a lot of trips in your hands.
Yeah, I know. Still, you can carry stuff with your hands.
You definitely can. Well, everybody, so you can see we've had to make an adjustment. So we found our sprinkler line running about right here. So we hadn't gone too far, so we just backfilled this in with some dirt, and we shifted our fire pit over. So kind of keep that in mind. We didn't know our sprinkler line went here. We thought it went that way, but it comes right here across, right where we put the fire pit. So now we're readjusting, just shift it a little bit over, get it away from the sprinkler line, and we'll get right back at it.
And so we're just gonna be doing our fire pit about as deep as this brick. And so we're using that to measure, and so y'all can do it however wide y'all want to. We're just doing it the size of the brick.
So we got everything dug out, we got our bricks, we made a little perimeter here, and we're stacking it around the edge. And so we're gonna keep doing this, and then we have some granite rocks that we're gonna line the top of it with. We'll keep filling in with some bricks in the bottom, fill in with some gravel in the bottom, and then it's all ready to start the fire. You wanna jump in there?
And then we also leveled the bottom out with the bricks, just so we could lay the bricks down and they wouldn't be unleveled and they wouldn't be
All right, let's go. So we're going around right now. We got all our bricks set on the inside. We got our bottom prepped. We'll have to get some rock to fill in the bottom of the fire pit. And then we're going around and cleaning off about 12 inches of grass just around the edge, just for safety, or two reasons. One, for safety, just so we don't have grass right up against our fire pit. But then also we have some rocks. We're gonna line around with some granite rocks, make it look nice and clean.
Can you go behind where Dad's picking up and grab any of the the grass that's close to the bricks? Get kind of the edge of any grass that's still on the bricks, babe.
So we got all the rocks down. I am exhausted. Ah. So
Show 'em the
got a
heaviest
few
one of the
finishing
day.
touches.
Show them the
We
heaviest.
got a big one right here. That was the last one we set. That one wore me out. So we got a few small rocks to put in. Then we're gonna fill in with some gravel, and then we should have this one done.
So we just, last night we went to the store and we got red lava rocks, and so we put them in here, and we have some voids in here, and so we're gonna put some more red lava rocks in these voids all the way around, and then Steven is going to weed the grass, and yeah.
So how many red lava rocks how much did you put in the bottom of the fire pit?
How many?
It was 3 bags?
We put like about 3 bags in here, I think. And then
And we did, how come we put 3 bags? What did we want to do?
because we want to be able to, and so we fill the rocks all the way up to the top of these bricks, and we try to fill in some of the holes on the ground where the dirt was.
Okay, perfect. So right now they're using the red lava rocks to fill in the voids in between the rocks, the bigger rocks.
So, we're ready for a fire now. And just a quick recap on everything we used. We just used regular bricks from our house. And we have these granite rocks that were already on our property. And then last night we went to Lowe's and we bought some red lava rocks to just fill in the voids. And so we're ready for fire now.
Show them where the voids are. Show them where you did.
And so we did some rocks right here, just kind of like all the way around the circle, in between some rocks. just so we don't have any open spots. And so we just kind of went all the way around, and any gaps that we saw in between the rocks, we filled them in with some more rocks.
And how come we filled in the voids?
So no fire splashes out.
But who made us fill in the voids?
And my mommy.
But who made us fill in the voids?
And my mommy.
But who made us fill in the voids?
And my mommy. We're ready for fire.
Hey, so this is what it's all about. We got the fire pit built. We're with family. We got marshmallows. We got chocolate. We got graham crackers. We got a lake behind us. We got the little one here. This is what it's about. Guys, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Definitely hit the bell for the next notifications. Any comments, hit them below. We appreciate you hanging out with us on this one. This one is so enjoyable. We've been looking forward to this one for a while at the lake house, so we're happy you came along with the ride with us. We'll catch you on the next project, guys. Appreciate it.